How to install Capitec app on laptop or PC. So we all know that Capitec Bank application is only suitable for mobile devices. But if you would like to have download and install it using your laptop or PC, we're gonna need to download an emulator. Now what you can do is just simply create a new tab and just simply type in LD player, and then of course just choose on the very first result that will redirect you to ldplayer.net. So how does LD Player works? So this is actually going to work like a Google Play Store that you use or you usually use from your mobile device. So once you've downloaded this, all you have to do is just do search and locate Capitec Bank, and by there you will be able to run the application using the LD Player, and we be able to use Capitec Bank using your laptop or PC. So I believe that's pretty much the very fast way of using Capitec using your laptop or PC.